This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Jacono. Beautiful townhouse with fresh paint ready to move in. This place has been meticulously maintained and offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It is spotless. The laundry is upstairs and it has plenty of storage closets and split floor plan. There is a lovely patio with gas grill and a screened porch with a new patio set. The backyard overlooks the lake. The community offers a kids' play area, community pool and a workout room. This complex is a few blocks to the beach and the best school system around. For more information, review the details below.